What's up, guys? So today we are reviewing Shopify's 3D print stores and looking at what they're doing well, what they could be doing better, and how they can increase their sales. So I'm actually kind of excited about this one because I've never seen anything like this before, but this is Tumbler Shields, and they are 3D printed handles for tumblers, which is a great idea because you can stylize a generic tumbler. And that's fantastic. It's a really, really good idea, a really clever idea. I think the pricing is way too low. Right off the bat, the pricing should be like $19 for the handle. I don't care what it is. People would pay that. Because again, a dude's not going to decorate his tumbler very much, but unless it's like just a heavy duty handle. But the gals who are buying Stanley cups for $100 would pay $10 to $20 for a handle for a traditional tumbler, especially if it makes it cute. So use that. This is great. This is a really, really good idea. I'm gonna click on this first one right now here. Like this is really cool invention that never could have existed before 3D printing because it would have been cost too much to create this comprehensive store. But let's go ahead and look at this. Okay. Yeah, this is really interesting. Let's go ahead. The snowflake handle. Okay, so first of all, your title needs to say tumbler handle inside of it. And you can say new festive snowflake, tumbler handle, tumbler accessories, handles for your tumbler, all of that in the title, because those are the main things that people are going to Google in order to find these things. So go to Google AdSense, put in tumbler handle, and then it'll give you 10 options of other words similar to it. You can also do something like this with ChatGPT to just ideate other phrases, but Google AdSense will actually give you data around what the most popular search terms are. Put that in your title. And then you have the description here. The description is fine. It could be longer, but that all looks fine. Oh, here we go. Book cup handle. I want to look at this thing. Oh, these are really good. Oh, this is such a good idea. This is so great. I love this so much. I mean, it's not a practical handle at all, but it's great for the design. Are these magneted on? Sipping, giving you ideal for gifting or elevating your own tumbler collection. Also adds a decorative flair. Designed to attach to your favorite tumbler. I don't know how it sticks on there. Are these magnetic? I don't know. I really don't know. But I like want one. Oh, it is a book. Oh, what a cool thing. Maybe you glue it on. I don't know. Surface. Glue your handle to match the design of your cup. It's made with flat contact pads and a paintable surface that lets you glue your handle to match. So you glue the handle on. Oh, that's great. That's great. The customer glues it on. You might add like a little pack of glue to it or something like that just to help them, because metal and plastic, people don't really know what glue works. Super glue is fine. But I would also put what glue to use in the description so people don't have that anxiety. No sanding necessary to conform handle to your cup. Simply heat contacts with heat gun and form as needed. Oh, you're using either PETG or PLA. Oh, that's great. Oh, good job. Congratulations, guys. Like, this is great. I really, really like this. This is a really good product. Oh, man, that's so good. Yeah, improve the titles. Product photography is fine. I would say more photos, and actually I'm going to inspect your photo. Open image in a new tab. Oh, can't do that. Right here, image, zooms in. All right, fine. Product photography is fine, but since this is white on a gray background, find a more colorful background. Find something like a pink or an orange that goes with your site theme and use that as a background. It makes it pop more, because right now it's kind of dull. But this is good. The multicolors are good. I don't have too much to say. Make sure increase your prices. They should be $9, definitely, and then you can put them on sale if you really, really want to. $9 to $19. The single color should be $9. The multicolor should be $19. That's the rule. That's the way to do it. Have a clear tutorial on how to mount the handle to the tumbler, of where the glue is and all the rest of it. And if you can bulk buy the glue, you can upsell the glue to people. Those are all the things to do. Let's see here. Welcome to our new store. We're back and improved. You got all the things. The only other thing I would imagine is that with these, as demand spikes up, you got to print and ship them. You might look at outsourcing the printing of these simple one color ones, because then you don't have to think about it and you can focus on other products, because you have plenty of other products that you have to store inventory for and have to pack and ship. The printing ones you can outsource to a print-on-demand app like Slant 3D. And you just match up the plug-in to a listing, and then whenever somebody buys the snowflake handle, a Slant 3D will print and ship that item to the customer for you. And that way you don't even have to think about it. It just becomes passive income at that point. So you don't have to worry about running a print farm and all the rest of it when you have all these other items that you need to put time into. And that lets you do things like improving the product photography and improving all of it. Oh, this is the AI background generator stuff, isn't it? I think that's what that is. Apply that to other places. But you can have Slant 3D fulfill the printed items, and then you can focus on the items that you want. You get access to hundreds of machines. You don't have to worry about packing and shipping and all the shenanigans with that, or running a print farm. And then improve your product photography, improve your titling, and expand your descriptions a bit. And that would all help quite a bit, because this product is awesome. And if you started doing videos of these videos would do very well. Especially if you could, do demonstration videos of how to glue it on there, and just run through all your handles and film you mounting it onto a tumbler. And then that will go the rounds so easily. But increase prices, improve title, get some video, get some social. Do you have social? Let's see here. What are the socials right now? Come on, please have a TikTok. Please have a TikTok. Please. Congratulations. Yes. Reload that. What are the videos? Yes. Congratulations. That is fantastic. What is this? Oh, congratulations. Yeah. This is the video that I wanted. How did you do it? Yes. I'm surprised. Oh, this is 1 day ago. Yep. It's not a very good video. This won't get the traffic. But this is a good video. This thing, whatever it is interesting. TikTok's mad at me. Well, anyway, good. You have a TikTok presence. Congratulations. This is great, guys. You're doing a lot of the stuff well. You can optimize the site more in a bunch of different ways. And then if you want to offload work, you can offload work so you can deal with the scale there. So you can focus on making more videos and promoting the product more. But overall, this looks great. Congratulations. This is a really cool product. I'm excited for what you guys are going to do. Keep it up. Increase your prices. They are too low. All right, I'll let you go. Have a good one, but congrats, guys.